Hello, welcome back. In this lecture, we will talk about what are the different shapes available in Tinkercad and how to use Scribble tool. So let's talk about what are the different shapes available. So there are some basic shapes. Here you can see there is cube, cylinder. You just keep left click and drag it down. Sphere, roof, cone. There are lots of types of characters are there. You can use text also if you want to write something in 3D. Then text is also there. You can like change the name, like if I will do Naman, then it will be like Naman. So whatever the text you want to write, you can write here. You can increase his height also. You can increase width, and everything can be changed, right? So you have the various shapes available. Similarly, there are lots of shapes. You can just scroll it. These are the basic shapes, right? Now we have a certain different shape like design starter shape. So you can use these shapes, design shapes like cake, A, B, 2, 3, 4, more shapes. You can go to more shapes like more and more shape. Then alphabetical, all the numbers are there, strings are there, and lots of things are there. If you want to go for vehicle and machine, if you are creating some automobile things, then you can use these ready-made tires, horns, and various different tools, right? Rightly and directly you can use them. Similarly, if you go to the electronics part, hardware part, you are creating nut and bolts, gears, and you can create the gears also. You can create the sockets. So there are lots of things are there. You just need to look at look out these. You just need to look at those things, and whatever you need, you can get. All the shapes are here ready to use, like fun and games, electronics. If you go to electronics, there are some electronics are there like transistors and everything are there. So it needs to, you have to look on different shapes, and you can find your shapes, and after getting the shape you want, you can edit it. Like this is the gear, you can edit this gear, increase the height of this gear, and many things can be done. So these are the different type of shapes. You can search out there are plenty of different shapes are available. By creating these shapes, you can create your model in minutes. The best thing about the Tinkercad is that shapes are readily available. If you go to different CAD softwares like AutoCAD, CATIA, Pro E, you have to create your model by lines. Firstly you have to create lines, then make them a solid, all those things. But here there is no need to create a line, and after joining all them, the ready-made shapes are available. Okay, so line is not available, but I can make line to this cube by decreasing his width and height. So this can be a line. So you have all the freedom that what type of shape you need. You can make shape according to your requirement. There is tons of possibilities are there, right? So these are few things, these are few models I told you. You can use them directly. Now the another tool which are very interesting. Now the another tool is Scribble tool. Okay, so you just need to drag this Scribble tool on this work plane, and you will see that this type of window will open. So what is the use of Scribble tool? So whatever you will write there, if I will write this, if I will create something like this, so whatever you will make there, it will be on 3D in your plane. And if you want to something has gone wrong, you can cut it, you can cut them also, and you can rewrite it whatever you want to write. So if I have make something, then I will go to done, and this will be in your work plane. This will be in 3D and work plane. You can resize it, you can resize it, you can increase the height, you can decrease the height. So you have the flexibility to do whatever you want to do, and whatever the shape you want to create. If there is no shape available in these basic shapes and you want to write something, then you just use the Scribble tool right there, and you can do modification in those models also. So I hope you really like this Scribble tool, and looking forward to use this Scribble tool in creation your 3D models for 3D printing. So thank you. I hope you have idea about what are the different shapes are available in Tinkercad, and from where you can get those shapes along with how to use of Scribble tool. Thank you so much. If you want to learn complete 3D printing and make a career in this field, you can click to the link given in description box and start your journey now. In this course, you will learn 3D printing, also known as additive manufacturing, from start to finish. This course includes design of 3D models, slicing of 3D model, 3D scanning, types of 3D printers, STL file formats, post-processing, 3D printing materials, and many more, along with assignments and quizzes. At the end of the course, you will get a certificate which will help you for your job interviews. The prices of course is so minimal that everyone can afford. So, see you inside the course. Thank you.